Hello everyone, so I thought I'd show you, give you an update. I've made some community posts about this fashion corner doll that broke, and I actually did fix her arm. So, here's her arm. Sorry for the noise in the background, my niece is being really, really annoying. Because she is extremely hyped up on sugar. But I wound up, what I did, so here's the other arm. So if you can see, there's actually like a ring piece on both sides. So what I did was, basically how the arm broke was these two flanges. I have a regular, like a Barbie arm here. So on this like disc piece right here, there's a disc that goes into there so that it can rotate like this. And there's two little flanges on each side that plug into these parts of the arms, and those little flange discs are what broke off. So what I did was I took the disc that had the flanges on it, and I drilled a hole through that, and then I drilled a hole through the arm on each side of the shoulder pieces, and then I found a piece of plastic. This is actually the inner inside of a bendy knee Barbie leg. So I cut that off, and I used that as the rod to go through the arm. And then I melted it down. I melted the ends down so that it would stay in. So now the arm can actually move. And just for those of you who don't know, here's the inner workings of a fashion corner doll. So yeah, you can see the disc up in there. That's where the arm, that's the arm that's fitted into there. Here, let me see if I can show you it moving. So you can kind of see it moving. Wait, it's hard to do this with one hand. Or you might be able to see through the arm socket. No, you can't, because it will not focus. But yeah, when I move the arm, you can see that there is a disc up in there. Yeah, so you can see the arm moving. So there's a disc right in there that holds the arm in, which is basically this thing. So this round disc fits into there. Okay, sorry for the awkward jump cuts. The cat keeps trying to jump up on me. But anyhow, this round disc piece on the arm goes into there. So yeah, I will put the arm in. Actually, I thought I'd mention that before I do that. I would show you that this arm is actually broken too. One of the flanges actually broke off on this side. So one of those really fat flanges, one of those discs is actually broken off over in this arm, like this side over here. But the other one is still intact. Unfortunately, though, it is cracked. But I've tugged on it and pulled on it, and it's not breaking, so. But yeah, there is a little disc flange goes into the arm over here, so. But yeah, I've been quite rough with it. And I'm just going to say screw it and put it back in and glue her back together. I don't think it will break, so I will put her arm back on. So here we go. This arm is back on. And there's the freshly repaired arm. And fortunately, when I cracked her open, all these little pegs, you can see them, You see the peg, and then, yeah, you can see those little holes, like on the sides, are what those little pegs right there fit into. So whenever I put her back together, I'm going to put glue in those, and then glue her back together. So yeah. But that's what the inside of a Fashion Corner doll looks like. So yeah, I did have to stick a flathead screwdriver in here to crack her open. It wasn't too hard. And then on the inside, you have this piece right here that goes across, and that's what this goes around. So I will put that together. Oh, whoops. I thought I pressed the pause button. Oh well, so it's going to be an awkward cut. And here we go. So she is all back in one piece. I have not glued her together. For right now, I'm keeping this elastic band around her. So, but yeah, as you can see, this is her original arm. This was the arm that I was using. This was to a Teen Talk Barbie that broke, like her torso broke and the voice box broke. So that doll has since been put on another body. But it needed a short little flange to go in there because of how the construction is on the inside. So this was the only arm that I found that would have been able to work. So I was going to let her keep this arm if I wasn't able to repair her original one. And it's basically just like a, the arms these dolls have is basically just like a Barbie arm, like a regular superstar arm. So, but yeah, as you can see, both of her arms have full movement. And this one is on there, like it's not going anywhere. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Thank you guys for watching. More videos to come, and remember to stay true to you.